She's awesome, man. Huh.
Hey, what are you looking?
क्या देख रहा है अभी?
I'm telling you, don't get into these middle-aged women. We have a lot of beautiful girls. I will arrange a good girl for you.
She's very special. Not like other girls. She's so hot. Look at her figure.
Yes, that is true. Her figure is awesome.
Forget everything. I just want this girl.
Come, let's make a plan.
Let's
go.
Yes.
What are you doing early in the morning?
Listen, at least tell me, are you happy or not?
Yes, when I'm around with you, it feels.
There is something I need to tell you.
Yes, tell me.
The company is sending me for a 2-month training in Mumbai.
What? You know we are newly married and now you're leaving me and going to Mumbai. And you know I don't know anyone around here.
Baby, I'm going only for 2 months. And I can always come back here on weekends. And we can also stay connected through video calls. And you know, we have very good neighbors. If in case you have any problem, you can call me anytime. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I should leave now, okay? And please take care. And if you need anything, just call me. I'll meet you on Saturday, okay? Bye.
Hey. Hi, Alok. Where to?
I'm going out for a couple of days.
That's great.
Okay, so when will you come back? It will take some time. Okay. Alright, best of luck. Happy journey.
Happy journey. Travel
Thank you.
safely.
Thanks a lot.
चलो.
Look there.
Yes, there.
Over there.
Where is she?
Come, let's go there.
Okay.
Come.
Yes, coming.
Come fast.
See that?
Bro, she's so beautiful. Huh?
What's up with you? What are you thinking about so much?
Alok is not at home.
What do you mean to say?
Don't you understand?
Seriously, you won't stop, isn't it? You won't stop.
Okay,
Listen
listen to me.
I'm telling you, you will get a lot of beautiful girls. Just forget about this woman. And she's also married. If anything goes wrong, the whole life would be
Listen.
ruined.
Because I'm your elder brother, today I will tell you something. A matured woman is more fun than young girls.
Seriously, what do I say now?
Okay, tell me something. Looking at Alok's bag, can you guess for how many days he must have gone?
I think at least for 1 or 2 weeks.
For a week or two.
Are you thinking the same what I'm trying to think?
Bro, please do something. Use your brain. For your brother. Bro, this is the last one. Okay, think that it's my birthday gift. After this, I won't ask you for anything.
Seriously, you want gift in the lockdown, right? Okay, anyways, I have an idea.
Yes.
It is risky, but safe. Listen.
Okay. Wow, that's great.
Anything
bro.
for you, my brother.
Come.
Let's go. Varsha? Varsha? Varsha, where are you? Varsha? Varsha? I think she's in the kitchen. Varsha? 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 Where did she go? Varsha? Varsha? Where is she? Her phone is also switched off. I don't know where she is. I hope she is alright. Varsha! Why isn't she picking up her phone? What's this? Varsha? I think I should call the police. Hello? So my wife is missing since 2 days. Yes? Okay, I have to call after 48 hours. Okay. Okay, sir. Alright, alright. Why isn't the phone connecting? Sir, my name is Mahadev Verma. I was the one who called you.
Okay,
Sir, actually my wife is missing.
so you want to file a report, right?
For that, you have to wait for 48 hours.
Sir, I had called 2 days back. 48 hours are completed.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So come, let's see.
Sir, from 4 months.
And when was the last time you spoke to your wife?
I spoke to her 1 week back.
Okay.
Sir, my training got over 2 days back. When I came back and opened the door, I saw that Varsha was not at home. So I made a call to the police station and they said that I have to wait for 48 hours. Only then they will write my report. Sir, please understand, I'm worried a lot. Please. We are new over here. We don't know anyone around here. Hey, hello Sunny. Alok, you over here? How are you? I am good. But how did you come back so early? You were supposed to come back after 2 weeks. Training got over, so I came back early. I came just 2 days back. Okay, and why is the inspector here? Is everything alright? Varsha is missing since 2 days. Sir has come for inquiry. What? What happened to her? I don't know where she is. 2 days back her phone was on. Now her phone is switched off. That is the reason I filed a report. And sir has come for the same. Mr. Alok, if you need any help from my end, please let me know, okay? And where is Raj? Raj has gone out for some work and he will come back after a day or two. Okay. Okay. I should leave for now.
Who was he?
He is Sunny. He's someone I know around here.
Okay. Did anyone knew that you were going for the training?
No. Actually, I don't know a lot of people around here. Yes, while I was going, I met Sunny and Raj. So I just told them.
Okay. Okay, for now I'll go. I will let you know if there is any update.
Okay. Please look into it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Raj!
Hey, what is it?
You idiot, that Raj has filed a police complaint.
That was supposed to happen.
The police is investigating and following me for the last 2 days. They have kept an eye on me. Somehow I have managed to come over here. And
You idiot, didn't I tell you don't step out of the house?
are you crazy? Is it my fault? Why did you do all this? This is all your mistake.
So now it is all my fault.
You had all the fun and the idea was yours. Right now it is best if we stop fighting and figure out how to get out of this mess. Now what should we do?
Okay, we'll do one thing. This woman, let's kill
Are
her.
you really crazy? How could you even think about killing her? Is it that simple? If we kill her, we are directly going to the jail. Right now, according to me, the best thing for us to do is that we should leave her over here and go away. We can go to London. After 2-3 years, this case will get closed. No one will know anything. See, just control your anger and listen to me. Let's go. Let's
Okay.
pack our bags. Come.
Alok. 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 Alok.
Faster, quickly, let's go. Yeah, come, let's go. Yeah,
Hey, move back.
sir,
Get
sir.
inside. Sit here.
Sir,
Sit.
sir, I didn't do anything.
what did I do, sir?
Shut up. Wait, I will see you later.
No,
You go
no.
look inside.
Sir,
No,
Sir,
no,
I
no,
didn't
no,
do anything,
no,
sir.
no, sir.
Sir, I'm
No.
innocent, sir.
Alok.
Varsha. Varsha, what did they do to you? Varsha. Varsha. Scoundrels! I won't leave you two. I will kill you. How dare you do
Listen,
this to
you can't do
Varsha?
that. Stop
How
it.
could you do
Stop
that?
it. Listen to me. Sit there. Please. Don't do that. I said just sit down. And you. Now will you speak? Or you want some more treatment? Hmm?
Eh,
What are you doing here? Listen, I'm asking you something. What are you two doing here?
You two have committed a big crime. You spoiled a woman's life.
No, sir. No, sir.
I will make
No,
sure
sir,
that
please
you
forgive us.
will get
sir,
very
please
severe
forgive us.
punishment.
Forgive us,
Come on.
Sir,
Please, sir, forgive us, sir. Please,
forgive us,
sir. Please forgive us.
Please, sir.
Take them away from here.